Hi guys, it's Fat Petrolhead here, and there is a very common discussion among all car enthusiasts about how reliable some models were. If you are more into cars, you probably would remember something like Mercedes W124. If you are more a general user, then probably you would talk about something like Honda Accord or any model of Toyota. And the general idea in this discussion is that these cars had a resource up to 1 million kilometers or even miles, and they were extremely reliable. And it is very true, they were reliable. However, I personally believe, and I owned more than 20 used cars and sold more than 300, that 15-20 years old car with more than 200,000 on the clock can't be reliable. And with such cars, it is much more important how the car was maintained and taken care of than how reliable it was from the factory. Yes, even in modern world, there are some engines with a resource of more than 500,000 kilometers, and it's a huge resource, of course. But even if the engine is extremely reliable, you can kill any engine in 50,000 kilometers just not changing oil. And now just try to imagine the average history of a 20 years old car, especially those one that you can name reliable, something like Toyota Camry. How many owners there were? Probably, in average, it would be something about 4 or 5 owners. And are there any chance that there were 1 or 5 owners that didn't take care of the car and didn't care about maintenance at all? And the second very important thing is that car is not just engine and gearbox. There are plenty of parts in a car, and any of them can be broken, from cooling and braking system to catalyst. And many of these parts would have less resource with naturally aspirated, very reliable old V8 than modern 1.4 TSI or something like that. But why people would write in comments that they drive a 20 years old Toyota with 500,000 on the clock and there are absolutely no problems with this car? And the answer is that their cars are just very simple. The thing is, if we compare Japanese cars of 2000s with basic models, for example, of French cars, they would be almost the same in case of reliability. The only question is how well they were maintained. And I believe that we cannot just compare BMW and Jaguar cars with, for example, Nissan or Mitsubishi. Whether it is a new or 20 years old car, you should take more risk. You have to enjoy a car that was engineered to give you a unique driving experience. And there is, of course, no right answer, because you just need to choose your side. To enjoy fascinating cars or to choose something that is more reliable and less technically complicated. And there is one more simple reason why Japanese cars are well known for being reliable. If your car still works, it doesn't mean that it's not broken. We all know that there are a lot of people that just don't give a shit about their car condition. And usually, talking about 20 years old cars, you should change almost everything in a car to bring it to original condition. I personally hate to drive any car that is not in perfect technical condition, and it seems to me that this is the main difference between car enthusiasts and just drivers, whatever they drive. Like, subscribe and share your opinion in comments. Thank you and see you soon. Alright, now if you click one of these 2 videos, I hope you will enjoy them as well.